What we are trying to tell the government is the second track, is it beneficial to the people of the state? Okay. Now, I would like to know from the government, has the government carried out a survey to find out where the second track is going to land with reference to the houses along the existing track? Has the government carried out that survey? No. What will be the repercussions as far as health is concerned? Because we are talking about, transportation of coal, and coal has its adverse effects on the environment because coal dust contains toxic elements, okay, elements like heavy metals, and these heavy metals we are breathing them in because there is dust in the air presently. If you go to any house along the track and wash the floor, you'll have black water.
We decided that we will not bring the rest of the villages, and the villages authorized us, a few of us, three of us came here, and we had a discussion, quite a lengthy discussion. We put our views to the deputy collector about the current state of the of the single track, about the noise pollution, about vibration being felt, about our housings being damaged,